Good morning and welcome to Southern Cross Go. Now we're staying in Jomtien Beach at this place called the Inn Residence. It's absolutely amazing hotel. The breakfast there is absolutely great. There was hardly anyone there. It was fairly cheap. And anyway, we didn't know what to really do. We'd never stayed in Jomtien, so we thought we'd head off and check out this place called the Sanctuary of Truth. So anyway, let's get on with the story. This one's probably the newest one where we're staying, the Inn Residence. It's all nice and all new, and the room's really good. Big room, it's all nice and clean and good. And the breakfast we just had was bloody awesome. So I think it was probably about, I don't know, we paid in Indonesian money, so rupiah, so on Traveloka, so it's probably about $40 room or something. Well worth it, better than Bangkok. The room we had there was like $60 or $70 and was crap. Okay, so we're heading into Pattaya to check out the Sanctuary of Truth, the big wooden temple. They've been building it for years, they're still building it. It's all fully hand carved. So we're going to suss it out. It's about 10 kilometres, so that's it. Can park in there? Okay, so Yearly's onto it. It's 500 baht per person to get in, and she's ordering on some app. What's it called? Klook or something. So it's about 50 bucks if we pay here, and she got about $20 off if we do it online. So if we paid online, very smart.
What time will we enter?
Okay, so we booked online, but you got to wait 1 hour after you book online for it to go through. So we're out for a ride. We're trying to find our way to the beach. We're down this little goat track, seeing if we can sneak around down to the beach beyond the Sanctuary. Check out the beach. Ready, car? Okay, this is the spot. We're just going to hang out here, have a drink or something. Yeah. Have a drink and wait for an hour. Okay, so we finally made it through after waiting an hour for our tickets to go through, our e-tickets. Hey Aussie, what are you doing? Alright, so now it's a bit of a walk, I think, down to the beach where this huge wooden temple is. Alright, so there it is there. You can't see it all from here, but God, look at it, it's pretty high. You see all this scaffold up on one side of it. They're still working on it. They're actually still building it. They've been building it for years and years and years, and they're still building it. So we'll go down, see if we can get down to it. Alright, so what it is, there's tours at different times, and our one, the English tour, is at 12:40. There's a Thai one, a Chinese one, a Korean and an Arabic one, all at different times. So you can't just go down and look it out. You've got to actually do the tour. Okay, so Yuli had to rent a sarong because she got to be covered up. You can't have your legs for a woman, so she had to rent a sarong.
Presenting the three masterpieces in Thailand.
She's going to put that on. We're just going to go through. Okay, so what she's doing is giving a speech on the history of it and all that, and then we'll go down and walk through it and have a look at it. So what she's doing is explaining all the rules of the temple and all about it. Right, so it's a bit of a walk. There's about 100 steps, I suppose, down to the bottom. Got to put your construction hat on. Alright, because there's still construction going on. Still work. So there's a little restaurant and stuff down in here. The place where you can eat. It's really nice actually on the water. This might be where they do the floating boat market thing. They've got little boats in here, look. Alright, so this is the actual temple. When you get down next to it, it's huge. It's got to be 70 or 80 metres high, I suppose. It's all wood carved. You should see all the carvings and that up on the roof. They go all the way to the top. Carvings of gods and dragons and all sorts of stuff. I'm not sure how good you can see it if the sun's right. You can't see it properly, but I'll walk later. I'll walk all the way around it and try and get a better look at it. Okay, so it's pretty busy. There's tours of about 40 people in each tour, and they're just coming one after another. So it's pretty busy. As you can see, there's heaps of construction still going on it. There's scaffold up there and everything on this side. I'm just going to walk down here to the water and show you the beach here. It's a nice little beach over here. Wow, it's a beautiful little beach. Look at this. Check out this. There's no one at all on these little beaches. How cool is that? High, it's huge. Check out some of these carvings in it. They're all made out of solid big chunks of timber and trees and stuff. Wow, look at that. And you can see that some of them are all white and really, really old. And some of them are new. Just check out that. Apparently there's no nails in it, it's all fitted together with joints and stuff, so it's absolutely amazing. Look at it, the work that's gone into this. I'll check out later how many years they've been building it, but they've been building it for years and years, and all the money from the tours goes into it, and that sort of pays the workers to keep wood carving. Wow, it really looks ancient with all the carving in it. Huh. Wow, look at the size of it when you get around here. Oh my God. So I'm going to walk over in the shade and try and get a full view of the size of this place. It's massive. Wow. And there's like Vishnu with the 4 faces, the big giant wooden statue up there. Look at the size of that. I'd say to be Vishnu. Really is huge. I didn't realise it was so big, I just thought it was a little temple though. Okay, so now we're going to go inside it. We're allowed to walk up all through it. Wow. Check out the size of these elephants. You can see the Vishnu heads of Vishnu, the 4 faces.
Okay, so right now we will continue about our information. Actually, this museum is a wonderful. They built it in 20 minutes. We have 20 minutes more together for information.
When you get inside here, it's absolutely massive. And look at the domes, all wood carved up in the ceilings. Oh my God, there's even bats up there flying around. Look, see the bats. Check out this. Wow. This is being a builder himself, a carpenter. The woodworking and the skill involved in this, absolutely unreal. Now I heard it's just like another tourist trap and all that and this, but it's well worth the money because it really is amazing. It's just amazing. Look at this part of the wall. Wow, just check that out. I can understand now why it's just taken them years and years and years to build it. Wow, it's really good. Amazing, it really is worth the money. It's amazing how much work that's gone into this. Years and years and years of work with dozens and dozens of wood carvers, and it's brilliant, it really is. Poor bastards, they've got the chains around their ankles. Really pisses me off to see elephants chained up like this. Chained up. You see like tears coming out of his eyes. I think that's because he's got a friggin' chain around his leg. Anyway. And then they make it ride people around all day. It's so cruel. Okay, so that was really worth it. It was worth the money. It was a beautiful place, all that wood carved temple. So what do you think, Yuli?
Beautiful. Just like it's good, it's nice, I like it. Love it, especially.